In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import SVG vector icons into PowerPoint 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, and 365. Whether you're designing a presentation for work or school, importing high-quality SVG icons can add a professional and eye-catching element to your slides. Even though it might seem slightly daunting at first, I promise you once you master these steps, you'll find it incredibly straightforward. Let's begin with your PowerPoint presentation open and ready. It's important that you have the presentation you want to enhance with SVG icons open, as we'll be directly inserting these images into your existing slides. Now, find and click on the Insert tab in the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is your main hub for adding anything extra like images, shapes, or even charts to your slides. After selecting the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Picture. Clicking on this button will open up a range of options for you. Here you want to opt for the This PC option. This allows you to access files saved locally on your computer, which is where your SVG icons should be waiting to be imported. When you select This PC, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is where you can browse through your computer files. But before diving into your folders, take a moment to notice the File Type drop-down menu, usually located at the lower right corner of the dialog box. You'll want to click on this menu and change the file extension type to Scalable Vector Graphics or SVG. By doing this step, you're telling PowerPoint to specifically look for SVG files among your documents. Once you've set the dialog to search for SVG files, navigate through your folders until you find the desired SVG icon or icons stored on your computer. Once located, click on your chosen SVG file and then click on the Insert button. Your SVG icon will be imported directly into your PowerPoint slide. With the icon now in your presentation, you can reposition it, resize it, and style it just as you would any image in PowerPoint. Enjoy the crisp, clear graphics that SVG format allows, enhancing your presentation effortlessly without concern of pixelation, even if you decide to enlarge your icon significantly. Congratulations, you've successfully imported an SVG icon into your PowerPoint presentation. Now you have the means to add visual sophistication and clarity to your slides. I hope this step-by-step guide makes your PowerPoint experience a bit more creative and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.